Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. At first, I have something very important to tell you. I have some friends who are not from Assam, and they told me, if possible, they told me to speak in English, Hindi sometimes because they cannot understand Assamese well. So ময়ো ডিসাইড কৰিছোঁ যে ময়ো যেনেদৰে যেতিয়া সুবিধা হয় ইংলিছত হিন্দীত অসমীয়াত মই মোৰ ভিডিঅ'বিলাকত ক'বলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম যাতে সকলোৱে বুজি পায় but I'm not so fluent in those languages because অসমীয়া মোৰ নিজৰ মাতৃভাষা হয় so I apologize and বাকি মোৰ যিসকল অসমীয়া বন্ধু বান্ধৱী আছে যিসকল মোৰ দাদা বাইদেউ সকল তেওঁলোকে নিশ্চয় এই কথাটো বেয়া নাপায় যে sometimes I will speak in English or Hindi. So this is my partner and this is my copy and here is the lyrics and these are some chords that I will be playing now. See, one thing, I don't know the chords very well and I have learned those chords from YouTube only, so I don't know, but yeah, I may make some mistakes, so I hope that you will forgive me for that. And okay, today I'll be singing Vanilla Twilight and this song is very beautiful but it is tough for me. But still, I will try to sing, and I hope you will enjoy it. The stars lean down to kiss you. I lie awake and miss you. Pour me a heavy dose of atmosphere. I'll doze off safe and soundly. I'll miss your arms around me. I'll send a postcard to you, dear, 'cause I wish you were here. I was the night turned light blue. It's not the same without you, 'cause it takes two to whisper quietly. The silence isn't so bad. Look at my hands and feel sad. Spaces between my fingers, right where yours fit perfectly. I'll find repose in new ways. I haven't slept in 2 days, 'cause cold nostalgia chills me to the bone. Drenched in vanilla twilight, sit on the front porch all night, waist deep in thought, because when I think of you, I don't feel so alone. I don't feel so alone. As many times as I blink, I'll think of you tonight. I'll think of you tonight. When violet's eyes get brighter and heavy winds grow lighter, I'll taste the sky and feel alive again. I'll forget a world that I know. I swear I won't forget you. Oh, if my voice could reach back through the past, I'd whisper in your ear. Oh, darling, I wish you were here. So, I hope you enjoyed my video. ভিতৰত গান গালে জেঠিয়া মাতে আৰু বাহিৰত গান গালে ডাউকে মাতে. Still, if you like my video, then please do hit the like button, and if you don't, Titya, please do hit the like button, and please do comment, and please do share, and please do subscribe. Thank you, and please stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.